Who is a mortgagee? A mortgagee is an individual or entity that lends money to a borrower to facilitate the purchase of real property that is secured by a mortgage against the subject real property. As such, a mortgagee is a lender with the added legal feature that its loan is secured by a mortgage on real property. The mortgagee has a legal interest in the property until the mortgage loan is fully paid off, which is set out in the mortgage agreement together with applicable statutes, regulations, and common law. By securitizing its loan by way of the mortgage on the subject real property, a mortgagee typically has secured the legal right to foreclose on the real property if the borrower defaults on the loan, as well as having the right to demand payment in full if the borrower breaches the terms of the mortgage agreement. Institutional mortgagees, such as banks, credit unions, and other lending institutions, are responsible for selling and offering mortgage rates. While market rates are largely influenced by the economy and housing market as it stands overall, the mortgagee is responsible for taking all factors, interest rates, commercial vulnerabilities, supply and demand, into consideration and setting the mortgage rates for their loan products. The rate a borrower, mortgagor, pays will also depend on their individual financial circumstances. Originating and issuing mortgages. The mortgagee has underwriters who are responsible for collecting applications, reviewing information, determining whether an applicant's mortgage loan will be accepted, and finalizing the specific terms for each borrower's mortgage agreement. Drafting mortgage security. Mortgage security is a legal claim that is imposed on title of the subject real property. With mortgages, mortgage security is put on the mortgagor's real property until the mortgage is paid off. If the mortgagor defaults on the mortgagee may take action on the mortgage security. Selling or foreclosing on seized real property. If the mortgagor defaults and the mortgagee officially seizes and forecloses on the subject real property, they are responsible for what happens to this asset. This may result in the mortgagee reselling the real property to try to recover their losses. As with most real estate terms, there is considerable complexity that can arise in its application with complex transactions, differences in legal jurisdictions, and the specificity contained in the particular legal contracts. All these specific elements need to be considered and applied to the particular situation, as opposed to merely relying upon generic legal terminology. We welcome you to subscribe to our channel for more informative and instructive videos, as well as learning about our international commercial legal practice. Thank you.